Hey guys, this is Scott, aka the Car Tech. Today got my brand new F-150 3.5 Ecoboost max tow package, and I got me a Resonator exhaust tip. Thing is huge. Fit on my exhaust, and so it's gonna go right there. And so I'm just gonna put this sucker on and let you hear the before and after. So here's the before. So you can see it doesn't sound too bad. It's a 375 horsepower, 470 foot-pounds of torque. So it's got plenty there. But I'm gonna put this guy on, and then I'll show you the after. All right. Well, got it on there. Like seriously, took 2 minutes to put on. I'm gonna cut the tailpipe back about 3 or 4 inches, so just so it doesn't stick out as far. As you can see, it sticks out a little bit. That's okay. I mean, it looks okay. It kind of looks weird like that, so I'm gonna go a little bit back so it doesn't stick out so far. But you guys didn't really come to just hear me run my trap. You came to hear the exhaust. So let's hear it. All right. Well, it makes a little bit of a difference, not a huge difference. It's not like anyways, so it's not too bad. But anyways, guys, I just wanted to say I love my F-150. I'll be bringing you a lot more videos of it. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to hit that thumbs up button, hit the subscribe button, turn on notifications, and thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.